Hi everyone, this video will guide you through setting up the Mini Profile feature on your website. With Mini Profiles, logged-in users can easily access their information at a glance. But before that, your BBP Core Pro license must be activated. Firstly, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, then go to BBP Core Settings. Now go to Mini Profile Settings, enable this settings, then you can select your menu location or you can choose Selector. Let's select Menu Location to Main Menu, then you can set the gap between the menu and the Mini Profile's avatar image. The gap will be applied to left side of the avatar image. Here you can select the width of drop-down profile box. Again, set the gap between the avatar image and the Mini Profile's drop-down box. This option is helpful to adjust the menu height with the Mini Profile's drop-down box. You can customize the border as you like. Adjust the border size of top, left, bottom, and right. You can choose the border color here. Now select the border radius. Adjust the border radius as you like. Here in the color management, change the color of the information at the top of the Mini Profile. You can change the author name colors and customize name text color and hover color as you like. You can also set the author role color, summary color, and background color. In the links, change the color of the information at the bottom of the Mini Profile. Let's save the settings and go to our site. Now you can see the Mini Profile, click it. Here you can see the details and changes we have made in the Mini Profile settings, like colors, hover colors, gaps, and many others. Thank you for watching.